You know that moment when your tire goes flat right in the middle of nowhere? Yeah, it's the worst. I've spent the last few weeks testing the top 5 off-road air compressors so you don't waste your money on something that takes forever to inflate. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how each one feels, performs, and who it's best for, so you can hit the road with confidence. Product number 1, Keen Power Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. When I held the Keen Power, the first thing I noticed was how lightweight it feels in my hand. The handle is comfortable and it actually sits solid on the ground while inflating. I loved that it has both cordless and corded options, so if your battery dies, you're not stranded. During testing, it pumped my car and e-bike tires super fast, and the auto shut-off feature stopped it at the exact pressure I set. The built-in flashlight was surprisingly bright, perfect for late-night emergencies. Charging was also fast. I had it ready in just an hour. If you drive a car, ride a motorcycle, or just want a reliable daily-use inflator, this is perfect. And since it's small but powerful, you can toss it in your trunk without thinking twice. I also liked that it doubles as a USB charger. Moving on, I tried something a bit more heavy-duty. Product number 2, viair 88P Portable Off-Road Compressor. The viair 88P feels like a serious tool the moment you pick it up, compact but rugged, and it comes in its own carry case. The alligator clips to hook to your battery are simple to use, and I love that it comes with a twist-on tire chuck. It just feels built to last. Performance-wise, it filled my 33 truck tires in under a minute. I tried it on bikes, balls, and even a kayak, and it handled everything without overheating. The built-in pressure gauge and LED light were handy when I was inflating in dim conditions. This is the one for off-roaders or anyone with bigger tires who wants a reliable compressor that won't quit. It's not pocket-sized, but it's perfect if you need heavy-duty performance without lugging around a giant air tank. And the brass chuck gives it a solid, professional feel. Product number 3, ETNWLF Vortex S6 Tire Inflator. Picking up the Vortex S6, I immediately noticed the solid, bright orange body and dual-cylinder design. It feels hefty but not cumbersome, and the 19,200 mAh battery inside makes it surprisingly powerful for a cordless unit. I put it to the test on my truck tires, and wow, it filled a 31 tire in just about a minute. The auto-stop feature is super accurate, and the LED light is bright enough to double as a camping lantern. I also used it on bikes and inflatables, and it handled multiple tires on a full charge without breaking a sweat. If you want cordless convenience and insane speed, this is the one. It's great for trucks, SUVs, and anyone who wants to carry one compressor for everything. Seriously, it even powers your phone while inflating. The Vortex S6 makes off-road trips way less stressful. Product number 4, All-Top Air Compressor Kit. The All-Top feels like a serious, heavy-duty machine the second you pick it up. It's a bit heavier than the others, but that's because of the dual aluminum cylinders and robust metal shell. I like the anti-vibe feet. They keep it stable on the ground while running. I tested it on my truck and RV tires, and it blew through inflation much faster than I expected. The auto thermal cutoff is reassuring. You know it won't burn out if you push it hard. The kit comes with a long rubber hose and multiple nozzle adapters, which makes it easy to inflate anything from ATVs to sports balls. If you're mainly off-roading or need something for bigger vehicles, this is a solid choice. It's not the most portable, but the performance makes up for it. After using this one, I wanted to see how something focused on RVs would handle. Product number 5, Tire Minder RV Air Compressor. The Tire Minder feels surprisingly compact for an RV compressor. It's lightweight, and the 60-foot hybrid air hose means I didn't have to move the unit around at all. The digital gauge is really accurate, which made topping off my tires painless. It pumped my Class A RV tires from flat to 100 psi in under 12 minutes, way faster than I expected. I also noticed it runs quietly, even under heavy use, and the automatic overheat shutoff adds peace of mind. The carrying case makes it easy to store, which I appreciated given my limited space in the garage. This is perfect if you drive an RV or tow a trailer and want a fast, reliable inflator. It's not meant for tiny, quick fixes, but for big tires, it's hard to beat. After using it, I finally understood why RV owners rave about it. That's my hands-on look at the best off-road air compressors I've tested. Whether you want something portable, cordless, or heavy-duty for your truck or RV, there's an option here for you. Check the links in the description to see current prices and grab the one that fits your needs.